નમસ્કાર, હું છું વેરાન પાઠક ધર્મેન્દ્ર. આજે આપણે મારા કાવ્યોની સાથે સાથે અંગ્રેજીના સુવિચારો, અંગ્રેજી પુસ્તક ક્રમમાંથી આપણા ભાષા માટે અંગ્રેજીમાં લખાયેલા વર્ષો આપણને સાંભળતા કેટલા મીઠા લાગે છે. ઇંગ્લિશ ઇઝ એ ફની લેંગ્વેજ, પણ જ્યારે આપણા સાથે સંયુક્ત રીતે જોડાય ત્યારે આપણે દાખલા તરીકે એક જ વાક્ય છે, ડિવિનિટી ઇઝ યોર બર્થ રાઇટ. ડિવાઇનિટી ઇઝ યોર બર્થ રાઇટ. હવે આપણે એને આજ સંપૂર્ણપણે વાંચીએ એમના સારા સુવિચારો, તો આપણને એ ખરેખર એમ લાગે કે the essential of the spiritual unfoldment is the transformation of your consciousness. The spiritual unfoldment is a matter of the transformation of the one's consciousness, and this could be interpreted and expressed in the light of the different yogas. What is the consciousness in the normal human being? We feel, I am Mr. So and so. I am the son of the such and such parents. I am belong to the family, the caste, this household. I belong to certain place in America, Germany, France, India, and these people belong to me and the belong to the mind, and I am connected with this, the person connected with the house, connected with this field, with the matter car, with this bungalows, with such and such an office, etc. act. So consciousness is the filled with the numerous factors which are the connected with this universe outside, and all these various relationships arise out of the basic connection he feels in this consciousness that he is so and so, and the immediate connections that arise are, there are my parents, there are my brothers, there are my sisters, relatives, so and so, then all other connections start. So however much we may philosophize, however much we may read books, however much these higher spiritual things are discussed in the spirituals, yet our consciousness is a consciousness that has to do with our physical form and similar other external physical forms and names of the each and consciousness, body consciousness, the world awareness. When such world awareness completely dominates is your consciousness, how can God awareness come into the field? There is no scope, and even if your eyes for sometimes and try to bring it, it may come, but it will immediately disappear. It is the foreign element. A great scientist used to say, if you drop a stone in a pond whose water is covered by the moss, it will give way for a moment and the quickly cover one again. You can hardly see the water. It is the again covered by the moss, just as the moss cover the entire surface of the pond water and makes it invisible, and however much you may drive them aside, they once again come together. Even so, the normal consciousness of the human being is totally covered over which world, yeah, consciousness, physical consciousness. Thanking all of you.